Shrimp scampi is a classic Italian-American dish that feels fancy but actually comes together in about 15 minutes. Boil the pasta. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. Add your pasta and cook according to the package directions until al dente. Saute the aromatics. While the pasta cooks, place a large skillet over medium heat. Add the olive oil and 2 tablespoons of the butter. Once the butter is melted and bubbly, add the minced garlic and red pepper flakes. Cook for about 1 minute until fragrant. Be careful not to let the garlic brown or it will turn bitter. Cook the shrimp, increase the heat to medium-high. Add the shrimp in a single layer. Season with a pinch of salt and pepper. Cook for about 1 to 2 minutes per side until they turn pink and opaque. Use tongs to remove the shrimp from the pan and set them aside on a plate. This prevents them from getting rubbery. Create the sauce. In the same skillet, pour in the white wine and lemon juice. Scrape the bottom of the pan to release any brown bits. Let the liquid simmer and reduce by half, about 2 minutes. Stir in the remaining 2 tablespoons of butter and the lemon zest until the sauce is smooth. Toss and finish. Add the cooked pasta and the shrimp back into the skillet. Toss everything together to coat thoroughly. If the sauce seems too dry, splash in a little bit of that reserved pasta water. Garnish and serve. Turn off the heat. Sprinkle the fresh parsley over the top and give it one final toss. Serve immediately, perhaps with a slice of crusty bread to soak up the leftover garlic butter.